Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing dependencies and files. Install Node, JS and NPM, then create a project and npm init to keep versions consistent. Once done, add TensorFlow, JS via npm or the CDN so you can run models in browser or Node. Make index, HTML and index. JS now, wiring them lets you prototype immediately. You'll see why having the library and simple files up front speeds iteration. It removes friction when you build layers and run quick tests. You now construct the neural network and data pipeline. Start with TF. Sequential. Add dense layers with units and activation like ReLU and softmax. Specify input shape on the first layer so tensors align. Then compile using an optimizer such as Atom and a loss appropriate to your task. This tells training how to update weights. Next, convert arrays to tensors and normalize inputs. Batching and epochs control training stability. Make sure to shuffle training data, so the model generalizes rather than memorizes order. You finish by training, exporting, and validating the network. Call model. Fit, with a validation split and callbacks to log metrics. Watch loss curves to know if you're underfitting or overfitting. When satisfied, save the model via model. Save to the file system, local storage, or index DB so you can reload with TF. Load layers model. If training fails, first inspect tensor shapes and data normalization. Next, tweak the learning rate or reduce model size. That single troubleshooting tip will resolve most runtime shape.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.